easy it is to make our spicy eggs with rice, and then our Brazilian lemonade. Hello and welcome to Goma At Home. Today we are preparing spicy eggs on top of steamed rice, and then i-prepare natin, mainit ng panahon eh. I-prepare natin siya with the Brazilian lemonade. Okay? So simple lang yan. We just need garlic, onions, some chili peppers, tapos we'll fry some eggs and put the sauce in there. May konting kikoman, may konting mirin, and a little of honey, and we're good to go. Okay? First, gawa tayo ng onions natin. I only need half of onions. Okay? Summer na summer. Kalalabas na ng bagyo pero mainit na naman. Okay. And then that's all I need. Tatabi ko lang siya doon. So tapusin natin to. Tapusin natin to. Okay. There. Dito topping natin to sa rice. And then garlic. Yun. The best. And then, malaki-laki itong pepper na to. Dito tayo. Cut this. Cut this. And then, wow. Yung heat niya, medium lang oh. Medium heat lang. But let's put lots of this para maganda yung color na natin. Maganda yung color ng dish natin. No? There. Although dalawang eggs lang yung gagamitin ko. Pero gandahan na natin yung colors. Yes. There. And then, ang laking pepper nito. Ito lang ba available natin na pepper? Sige na nga. Okay. Pag kinain mo siya, ganun din. It's sweet. This are sweet pepper, but you want it spicy, so lalagyan natin siya ng spicy na pepper, the chili. Okay, put this on the side, and then chop it a little. Ganun lang. Tapos ito na yung spicy natin na chili. Depends on how much you want, no? Yun, ganun lang, konti lang. That's all we need. So once these are all ready, gagawin naman natin yung sauce natin. In making our sauce, we'll put in some, just open this. Tapos yung mirin. So we'll put some kikoman sauce. This will be our sauce. No? A little of, a little mirin. Very sweet. And then lalagyan natin siya ng konting honey. No? There you go. Just a little honey lang. Yun. Tapos lagyan mo na ng konting tubig kasi gusto nga natin sauce eh. Put a little water. So this is sauce. And then we'll put some pepper. And then sauce natin. Okay. And then just before we cook it, haluin natin, titikman natin kung tama na yung saltiness, kung nag-aagaw na ba yung sweetness niyan sa mirin saka sa honey. Then we'll start cooking our eggs. Let me just try this. I'll put a little more honey. Okay, should be enough. Soy sauce. Tama na to. Sakto na eh. One try. Good. Okay. Let's cook our eggs. Medium heat. Yun, medium heat lang. Okay. And then what we'll do, isosotay muna natin yung mga yung garlic natin, yung chili, onions. There. Ganun lang. Okay. Lagyan ko sa garlic. Gusto ko mas pino yung garlic. So, yan. There you go. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's put this in. Pag mainit na siya, na natin yung onions natin. Nice. Mabilis lang to. Tapos sama natin lahat. Isang bagsak na lang lahat. Yan. Including our chili. Including our garlic. Yan. It goes. Good. Okay. Put in some salt. And a little pepper. Good. Pati pa. Tignan mo, ganda ng color. Oh. Yeah. So once sauteed na siya, luto na yan, and then nag-incorporate na rin yung chili natin, we can start cooking our eggs. Okay? There you go. Pinahan natin konting apoy. Okay. Now, we put in 2 eggs. Nice. Parang maliit yung batch ng eggs na to. Gawin natin kaya 3. Why not? But, 3 eggs. Nice. Pag nag-brown yung eggs natin, konting salt. And then yung sauce na ginawa natin, put this on the side. See that? Yun. And while we're waiting for that to cook, ihanda ko na yung rice natin. Okay. Handa ko na yung rice natin. Wow! Look at that rice. Once our eggs are cooked, pag nagsapat niya sa pan, kukunin na natin siya, and then ipapatong natin sa rice. We have to make sure na luto na yung ilalim talaga ng rice para ng eggs. Okay. Dahan-dahan ko para hindi masira yung yolk. I'm doing it little by little. Ay, yan. Kasi, I want it soft eh. Yan, gusto ko buo siya na ganun. Kaya na sira yung yolk natin. So, it's okay. That's okay. So, at this point, ilalagay ko na yung eggs natin. Want to do it? Okay. Ooh, ayan dito. Side. Okay, here we go. Next, first, kailangan natin yung zest of lime. Yan. Zest of lime. Okay. Make sure gamitin lang natin yung skin niya, no? Yan, no? Kasi yung inner skin niya na puti, medyo mapakla na talaga yan. Okay, there you go. That's it. And then, kung tayo mas maganda, kasama natin yung rind. Make sure sharp yung knife nyo. Okay. We'll take out the skin. We'll cut it like this. Yun. Manipis lang. Yan. Tanggalin ko lang yung mas malaking part ng nung inner skin, yung puti, yung pulp. Kasi ano yan mapakla. So we're not going to use that. Okay. Yun. Bigyan natin yung skin, tabi natin dyan. Pero yung puti, hindi. I'll take it out. Okay. Okay, maganda sa buto nito. Okay lang yan. Good. That's it. All set. Next, we'll open our can of condensed milk. Minsan, uy, yun. Sarap. Para malamig. Sarap. And then put some water. Put some water in it. Yan. Yung lime na ginawa natin. We'll get some ice. Tapos plus some rind. Yan, ice dito. Yun. Okay. And then lagyan natin ng kondensada. Ano? Beautiful. Wow, sarap nito. Okay. Cover. Okay. Yun yung at this point, okay, we'll put some honey. Ooh, honey, love it. Okay, good. One more mix and we're done. Here. Okay, ready. So, na-set up na natin lahat. We'll get our glass. Lagyan natin ng ice. Here we go. This drink is really best pag maraming ice. Okay. Ready. Okay. Right. Okay. Now let's try this. Let's see. Yung eggs natin. Let's try it. Wow. Sarap, oh. Oh. See how gooey that egg is? Okay. Steamed rice. Saka yun. Sarap. One more. Lami. At kan, lami ah. Spicy. Sabi nga papalamig tayo ng konti. Our Brazilian lemonade. Askang lami ah. Okay. So there you go. See how easy it was to make this spicy eggs and our Brazilian lemonade. So please try this in your own kitchen. Share it with your friends. Enjoy it with your family. Please like and subscribe and press on the notification bell para alam nyo kapag meron tayong bagong video na palabas. Alright? So thank you again for joining me and sharing your time with me right here in Goma At Home. I'll see you again. Bye!